In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Figma file, and we'll do it in 5 minutes. Whether you're passing the torch on a team project or simply reorganizing your files, transferring ownership is a straightforward process, but it does require a few clear steps. Join me as we walk through this process together. First, let's start by heading over to Figma's website. It's a robust, collaborative interface design tool that allows you to work seamlessly with others. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button. Make sure you have your login credentials handy because you'll need to access your account to proceed. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on Figma's homepage. This is your central hub for accessing all your projects, recent files, and shared resources. From the homepage, navigate to the Design section, where you can find the specific Figma file for which you want to transfer ownership. It's always a good idea to double check that you're working with the correct file, especially in an environment with many shared documents. Now that you've found your file, let's move on to the sharing settings. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see a Share button. Click on it to open the Sharing Settings dialog. This is where you can manage who has access to the file and what permissions they have. In this dialog box, you'll notice an option to change permissions. Currently, you might see your permissions set to Can View. To transfer ownership, you'll need to ensure that both you and the person you're transferring ownership to have Can Edit permissions. This step is crucial because editing access allows full control, including the ability to manage sharing settings further. Once you've ensured that the necessary permissions are adjusted, you can proceed to transfer the ownership. It's important to communicate with the new owner before finalizing the process, ensuring they're ready to accept the responsibilities associated with managing the file. With these steps completed, you've successfully transferred ownership of your Figma file. Remember, this process maintains the continuity and integrity of your design projects and ensures that all team members are empowered to contribute effectively. In conclusion, transferring ownership within Figma is all about navigating through the interface and managing permissions carefully. Hopefully you found this walkthrough helpful and feel more confident in managing your collaboration with others. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to tutorials.